Alrighty, so this is Odysee. Odysee is basically a competitor to YouTube. It's an alternative to YouTube, and it's powered by blockchain. Honestly, I think it's really nice. It's very polished. I used to use this website called BitChute, and Odysee blows BitChute completely out of the water. Like, it's absolutely incredible. So you can actually sync your YouTube channel to Odysee with no problems at all. It takes a little while. It says it might take up to a week. That's really the only downside I've ever seen. You can just create a new account and just start uploading to it if you want to. So let's just kind of go through this. So I've been using this for about a day. Kind of have YouTube open on one tab, and I have Odysee open on another one. And Odysee definitely gets the job done with no problems at all. And there's a couple of major things between YouTube and Odysee. What are the differences? So, let's say we want to go to Hardware Unboxed.
Ryzen 7 5800X.
So I was already watching that video. So, but you could see it's just like YouTube. It's got timestamps, it's got links. It just has more information. You can see how much has been donated, and we'll get to that in a little bit. But you can like comments, you can dislike them, stuff like that. It's pretty nice. And so you can actually comment as different users if you have different accounts, because it's powered by the blockchain, and you can sort by different comments and whatnot. So another little thing that I really like is it has like a little animation when you like and dislike, then you can just manually support it. Then that's added to the support that's already there. And so this is using their built-in, I forget what it's called. It's right here. It's library, or LBC, which is a crypto coin. And I think the way that not only the video is integrated into blockchain, but the coin, or the cryptocurrency, is integrated into the website itself is actually really well done. And this is coming from a guy that every time I hear cryptocurrency, I'm like, well, I'm out of here. Honestly, I'm starting to see why that makes such a big deal, because I mean, BitChute was my first introduction into like a not a crypto, but a blockchain style video media website. But again, this blows BitChute completely out of the water with its styling, how like transparent everything is, how clean the user interface is, the fonts. It seems like they have a lot of good creators. Like if I go to my following, then you can see I watch some ordinary gamers, little Linux gamer, Hardware Unboxed. I watch the Linux experiment. He's somewhere in there. He is. And yeah, it's actually, I can honestly say it's better watching videos on here than it is on YouTube. Because even if I turn off my ad blocker, then we'll just refresh the page. Okay. So if you go to the Linux Gamer, which always has ads on its videos,
I have been playing.
you can see nothing appears. I can keep clicking through stuff. Let me not click through anything a little political. Go to Mia. Oh my goodness, I always mess up his name. I'm just gonna call them some ordinary gamers. But you can see I'm not getting ads
Hello, guys.
because the whole thing is powered by the LPC cryptocurrency, and that's basically the foundation of it, and that's how it is funded. And it's honestly, from what I've observed from this is not only great, but it is able to be self-sustaining, basically. It's very nice. So if I click off this video, you're going to see I have the video here. I can just drag it around. So like if you want to go look for stuff, maybe you're watching a video while you're looking for another video to watch, you could do that if you want. And then let's go to the crypto thing. You can see how much crypto I have up here in the LBC coin. This is about a quarter in US dollars or US currency. So if I go to that, you can see I have this, and it's pretty neat. You can buy more if you want. You can attach your bank account, stuff like that. Actually, really nicely done. But there's also a library app. So if I open the library app, you can see that it's starting up. And now you have a library, which is basically just the Odysee, which is library and Odysee and LBC are basically interconnected with each other. But you can see that everything's synced except for my picture. Not sure what's going on with that, but I'm sure that'll update as soon as I stop making this video. But you can see all the updates are the same. And Nick Avocado has become YouTube's supervillain, apparently. And so you can see that it's even smoother than the web browser because it's using its own internal design, basically. I'm getting too technical here. I'm going to back it up and just talk about the website, but it's honestly really nice, whether it's on the web browser or you're using the library app, which you can also upload videos from the library app to Odysee, because it's basically the same thing. It's just two different names for some reason, but I'm sure that's a technical thing. But regardless, I've talked about this quite a bit. Basically, my final thing I want to say about this is I extremely, I don't even know how to put this into words. I recommend this so much. I'm begging you to go to Odysee. No, not really. I do recommend it. I do recommend it. It's really nice. Honestly, it's really nice. I think it's a great alternative to YouTube. I tried to use BitChute again. I've tried to use BitChute, and I tried to use it again last year. And honestly, it doesn't. It feels a little clunky. This feels better than YouTube, and that's all I can say about it. So I'm gonna put my Odysee channel in the description, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna just start uploading to Odysee instead of YouTube, because YouTube, I just see YouTube kind of going downhill, and this is a nice replacement for it. So, anyways, hopefully I see you guys on there. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and hopefully you find some cool creators and watch some cool videos. And I don't normally make a video like this, but using this for just a day, I can already see this is so well designed, and it's the way its infrastructure is designed is so nicely integrated into the web, and how the web interfaces into itself, that I just can't recommend it enough. So anyways, that's that. If you want to use it, go right ahead. If you don't want to use it, well, I'm sorry I wasted your time. But I'll see you in the next video. Well, on Odysee. And, peace out.